right, Keith, so my husband went snowboarding today. He said it was like spring riding today.
Oh, yeah. It was the upper 40s.
Yeah.
I love that. You know me, like I like skiing pretty much year round, but like in March and April, I turn it up because
it's so great.
Love that soft. You start getting a little bit more daylight. You don't have that daylight in this situation, but nice to get out there. And for the rest of us, 50s today.
Beautiful.
Nice, yeah, really nice. Upper 50s in Portland, 60 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, 60 in Concord as well. Average high is 48, so kind of a plus 10 temperature anomaly. We've had a lot of minus 10 temperature anomalies. Cool start to November, one of the coolest we've had in a while. I'm sure you could kind of just feel that without even looking up the numbers. Tonight, we're not going to be overly frigid because we were so mild today, about 40 along the coastline, mid-30s inland, about freezing into the mountains. And tomorrow's another mild day, but it won't be as consistently sunny when compared to today. We'll see some high, thin clouds coming in, especially in the afternoon. Notice, though, the models don't think that really changes our temperature profile, and I tend to agree. I don't think the sun has a whole lot to do with it. So we're still in the mid-50s, upper 50s, couple of low 60s over New Hampshire and southern and western Maine. And then here comes our cold front approaching from the northwest by Friday night. Some good news here. We've talked a lot about this cold front meeting up with a low to our south and what that was going to look like on Saturday. But the latest models have a slight difference that makes a big difference, which is here's our cold front, here's the low. This low goes a little slower, and so this cold front almost sweeps all the way to the coast before it runs into that low. So the net result of that is mostly what we're looking at here on Saturday is showers from a cold front, not so much from this low pressure system. So watch how this cold front comes through, and then there's the low, but it just clips down East Maine. So I think what this comes down to is a lot less heavy rain than I would have anticipated a couple of days ago. The exception being down East Maine. Some of us may be dry through much of the day on Saturday. I know that's a pretty big change, but I mean, I think it's a change for the better. There's our cold front right there. This is Saturday morning. There's the low. See this gap in between? I mean, there will be periods of dry weather over southern and western Maine through the middle of the day, and then again into the afternoon, just some showers in between. Meanwhile, that low moves into Washington and Hancock County, and that's where the rain is. The heaviest stuff there, just over extreme down East Maine. But, you know, I don't know if we get zero in Portland and Sanford, but there's not a lot here. So a lot lighter than originally anticipated, especially in this little zone here between the front and the low there. As far as snow goes, mostly we're looking at rain. Northern Aroostook County could see some snow. Quickly, I just want to talk about next week, Tuesday night into Wednesday. I think we'll initially start as some snow there with the system, and then we should change over to rain according to the European model. It's close though, guys. We could end up with some snow here on Wednesday, which is a big travel day. And hold on. The reason that I think that, the reason that could happen is, see right here, it's a little baggy looking. That could definitely be another low. And if that happens, we've got kind of a snow event on our hands. So it's just one of those things that you can see sometimes where it could go wrong. So I've got snowflakes on Tuesday night, Wednesday, and if I can change it back to all rain, then fine. But just something to think about in advance. At this time, Thanksgiving itself looks quiet, right around 40 degrees. So an improvement on Saturday. It's weird because it doesn't drastically change the idea that I don't think you want to be hanging out outside, but it's not an all-day rain event.
Soaker, which is looking for a while.
Nice.
Okay,
Yeah.
Keith, thank you.